Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Paradox. Today I will show you how to fix iMessage not sending problem, and also I will also tell you that how to iMessage those contacts which are having iMessage but not showing on your device. First of all, you need to see that you have logged into your Apple ID or not. For this you have to go in Settings app and you will see it there. Now the problem can be that you are either using Apple ID or phone number for iMessage. So to see this, open Settings and open Messages. Now open Send and Receive. Here you will see both Apple ID and phone number, so you need to tick both of them to solve the problem. Repeat the same steps by going back in Settings menu and opening FaceTime, and here also go to Send and Receive and tick both Apple ID and phone number. Another reason for iMessage is not working could be that the person whom you want to message is having some problem, due to which you are not able to see his or her iMessage turned on in the Messages app. That I am unable to send iMessages to this contact. In order to solve this problem, go to Contacts and open the contact menu of that person whom you want to do a message. Now ask contact email ID which he is using in his iPhone or Apple device and save it in the contacts. And now when I save his mail ID in the contact, and if I go to message section, now you can clearly see that I can send him a message, so this will solve your problem. I think that this will solve your problem you are facing in doing iMessages, so I request you to like and subscribe to my channel for these type of videos.
Fearless.